Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the unboxing experience of Panasonic air conditioner remote control A75C4145, which relates to one of the Panasonic inverter I got in my house. If you could see on the wall, I got that remote control order for this Panasonic inverter, which I have several of them in the house, but one of the remote control went missing. So I did a quick search online and found a bunch of remote controls. Some of them they look similar to this, but it wasn't exactly the one. If you're looking for remote control, make sure you find the right one by looking at the model number, which is usually at the back of remote control. As you can see, this remote control says 4145 and the matching one I found was this one is A75C4145. So if you are looking for this one or similar one, there might be initial characters such as A75 or additional numbers in the beginning. You could ignore that. So some remote control may look similar to my order, but doesn't directly relate to the same model of inverter, as you can see. So be careful with that, and I'm gonna show you the unboxing experience of this remote control. So this thing has arrived today through Australia Post. Looks like the manufacturer is sitting in Malaysia, and it's only designed for European countries. Once I open the box, as you can see, the remote control has matches with the online one, and it matches with the other remote control I had for one of the room. But usually you can tell it by looking at this. It says 41445 at the back, which matches with the existing one. So it looks like it comes up with the holder for remote control. You can stick it to the wall if you need to. I don't need it at the moment, but might actually change that as well. Looks like this one is a little bit bigger than that, but you wouldn't see the difference. I have tested out the remote with the existing one, existing holder as well, and it does match perfectly. That is the replacement remote, which goes with the existing holder. And I have done the setting as well on the remote. Set it to 17 degree, which may not be good for everyone, but it's in the cool mode and it works fantastic. If I change this fan speed, you can see the temperature changes with the arrows. You can change it with the mode as well. If you put it in the auto mode, it's gonna switch the setting to according to the according to desired one. Put it in the powerful mode, it's going to change the setting, and whatever is stored in the powerful setting, I guess I'm gonna put it in 16 degrees, and I'm going to change the fan speed to medium. So looks like this remote control works perfectly. If you are looking for the same remote control, I can say that go for it, and I didn't have any issues. And let me know in the comment if you have any issues with this remote control replacement. I will see you in the next video.